everyone, a very good evening to all of you. So today again we are live at the same time, that is 9 p.m. and today we are going to cover the part 3 video of Computer Organization and Architecture, and the lecture is today about the addressing mode. Now addressing mode is one of the most important topic in Computer Organization and Architecture. Every time you can expect some of the question from addressing mode, so that is why this is very important for your university examination as well as for your any competitive examination. So this is part 3 video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for all the notifications. And yes, part 2 and part 1 video are present on the channel itself, so you can go on the video section and you can complete all the videos. Okay, so yes, let us start quickly with our session. This is the official announcement. You can also enroll our batch courses for unit wise. So currently we are running data structure and algorithm, and yes, it is started by today itself. So if you want to join, please join us. And computer architecture is also going on. Next we are going to start computer graphics. So if you are thinking you are not able to crack the examination by 1 or 2 questions, then it is very important you should start enrolling and start focusing on your weak points. This is the official announcement. We are going to start paper 1. So if you are looking for only paper 1, then also you can join our batch courses. Okay, the timing will be 3:30 p.m. and 9 p.m. so you can join any of the batch that is suitable for your classes. Now this is the current batch schedule. So we have completed DBMS, software engineering, AI, theory of computation and discrete mathematics operating system. Currently computer architecture and data structure is going on. Soon we are going to start computer graphics and the part optimization. So that is the schedule that we have started from January. So that is why don't wait for the notification. If you want to crack the examination in 2022, start your own preparation as soon as you can. So first question on the screen. A very good evening to all of you. So let me know my PPT, my audio, video, everything is proper, so that we will quickly start our session. The learners who are present, let me know. So this is the first question on the screen. So what is the correct answer? Please give me in the comment section. So content of a program counter is added to the address part of the instruction in order to obtain the effective address is called what? So very important question from the topic computer architecture, and the topic is addressing mode. So content of program counter, so basically it is asking about program counter. Okay, PC, so it is a register, it is added to the address part. Now जब आप PC की value को add करोगे in the address part, so you have the opcode as well as operand in the addressing mode. जब आप addressing mode की बात करते हो, opcode होता है, operand होता है, and this is also known as an instruction set. Okay, instruction. So in the instruction, when you are going to add program counter, to you will obtain the effective address. Now the effective address is relative index, register mode or employed. So what is the correct answer? So let us see the correct answer. So the correct answer will be relative addressing mode. Now this is a very important topic because you can get comprehension based question from this topic. So this is a comprehension based question. Okay, so moving to the next question on the screen, question number 2. An interface that provides input-output transfer of data directly to and from the memory unit and peripheral is termed as what? So question number 2 on the screen. So what is the correct answer? So question number 2. An interface provides input-output transfer of data directly to and from the memory unit and peripheral. So it is known as directly. So that the keyword is here directly. So that is why the correct answer is option number 4, that is DMA, direct memory axis. Okay, so moving to the next question, question number 3 on the screen. What is the content of a stack pointer? What is the content of the stack pointer? Address of the current instruction, address of the next instruction, address of the top element of the stack, or size of the stack. So what is the correct answer for question number 3? So yes, correct answer is option number 3, that is address of the top element of the stack. Now this is a stack pointer. Don't get confused between the program counter, because if it is a program counter, then this will hold the address of next instruction. And just give me the answer in the current section. Address of current instruction. So where we are going to store the address of current instruction. सो नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन आपको पता है प्रोग्राम काउंटर होगा. अगर हम स्टैक की बात करें, सो इन द स्टैक ऑलवेज यू आर गोइंग टू एक्सेस, पुश और पॉप द एलिमेंट फ्रॉम द top position. Then what about current instruction? So which is the register which is going to store the address of current instruction? So I am getting the message of good night. So this is not good night. We are taking the class till 11 p.m. तो हमारे लिए ये good evening है सिद्धेश. So everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Okay. So moving to the next question, question number 4. The average time required to reach a storage location in memory and obtain its contents is called what? So very important question, because nowadays in the net examination or any competitive examinations, especially if you are going to write the examination for teaching, then you can get a definition based question on latency time, access time, turnaround time and response time. So these are the very basic fundamental questions that can be asked in the examination in the 2 marks. So yes, that is the instruction register which is going to hold the current address. So very good, that is the instruction register. Now what is the answer for question number 4? Question number 4 on the screen. The definition is related to latency, access time, turnaround time and response time. So this is the basic fundamental question that can be a question from operating system as well when you are studying CPU scheduling. So access time, let us see the correct answer. Yes, the correct time is access time. Now in the question they have asked you the average time required to reach a storage location in the memory and obtains its content. Now एक जगह पोजीशन पे आप हैं, इस पोजीशन से आपको कितना टाइम लग रहा है एक्चुअल मेमोरी में आने में. सो दैट इज़ द एक्सेस टाइम. ओके, टर्न अराउंड टाइम का ये मीनिंग है कि आपने सिस्टम में कब इन किया था और आपने कब पूरे अपने एग्जीक्यूशन प्रोसेस को कंप्लीट किया है. सो दैट इज़ अ टर्न अराउंड टाइम. रिस्पॉन्स टाइम का ये मीनिंग है कि कब आपका एग्जीक्यूशन शुरू हुआ. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड विद एन वेरी बेसिक एग्जांपल. लाइक जब आप लेट अस सपोज आप बैंक जा रहे हो टू विड्रॉ एंड डिपॉजिट द अमाउंट, तो यू नो कि बैंक की जो टाइमिंग होती है 10 AM पे शुरू होती है. ओके, सो अगर आप 9 AM पे बैंक पहुंच जा रहे हो तो दैट इज़ द टाइम जब आप बैंक में रीच हो रहे हैं. बट 9 AM पे आप पहुंच के आप लाइन में खड़े हो गए, इन द क्यू यू आर स्टैंडिंग, एंड आपका जो टाइम है वो 11 AM पे आप एक रिसेप्शन के पास पहुंच रहे हो. सो दैट इज़ अ रिस्पॉन्स टाइम कि कब आपका एक्चुअल एग्जीक्यूशन स्टार्ट हुआ, तो दैट इज़ अ रिस्पॉन्स टाइम. नाउ 11 AM पे आपकी प्रोसेसिंग स्टार्ट हुई एंड 11:30 तक आपकी सारी क्वेरीज रिजॉल्व हुई. सो 11 AM से 11:30 AM पे आपका टर्न अराउंड टाइम था, बिकॉज दैट टाइम यू आर एक्चुअली एग्जीक्यूटिंग. ओके, व्हाट इज़ द एक्सेस टाइम? एक्सेस टाइम का ये मीनिंग है कि आप सिस्टम में कब इंटर किए थे. तो आप सिस्टम में 10 AM पे इंटर किए, दैट इज़ 9 AM पे इंटर किए थे. एंड लेटेंसी टाइम का मीनिंग होता है कि एक्चुअली कितना आपको प्रॉपर टोटल टाइम मिला. दैट इज़ द वेटिंग टाइम वगैरह यहाँ पे सब कुछ आप ऐड कर लोगे, तो दैट इज़ द कंप्लीट लेटेंसी टाइम. So you should know this basic difference between these fundamental concepts, because you can get a very good difficult question from multiple choice questions to match the following. तो then ये question आपका बहुत difficult हो जाएगा. Okay. Moving to the next question. Question number 5. So yes, that is the concept of operating system. Okay, so when you are calculating the value, so that is the formula, turnaround time, that is completion time minus arrival time. A stack organized computer uses instruction of that. So this is the UGC net previous year question. Okay, this type of question definitely you are getting in the examination related to your addressing mode. So क्या लगता है आपको स्टैक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की अगर हम बात करेंगे, इट इज़ इनडायरेक्ट, टू एड्रेस, जीरो एड्रेस और इंडेक्स एड्रेसिंग. So what is the correct answer for question number 5? So we have 10 questions to go. जल्दी जल्दी आंसर बताइए. ऑप्शन 5 का आ गया 2 एंड दैट इज द इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन. बिकॉज इफ वी टॉक अबाउट स्टैक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ये मीनिंग है, इट इज होल्डिंग योर जीरो एड्रेस. ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर स्टैक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जीरो एड्रेस को होल्ड करेगा. देन यू हैव वन एड्रेस, देन यू हैव टू एड्रेस. जीरो एड्रेस का मीनिंग है कि व्हेन यू आर एक्सेसिंग द एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम द स्टैक, उसके लिए कोई मेमोरी एलिमेंट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. वन एड्रेस का मीनिंग है व्हाट इज वन एड्रेस. सो दिस इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एड्रेस इन कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर. एंड टू एड्रेस का मीनिंग है जैसे आपने इस तरीके से किया R1 प्लस R2. सो दिस इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ टू एड्रेस एंड दिस इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ वन एड्रेस. Okay, so these are the some of the important concepts related to your addressing mode. Now moving to the next question, the basic definition of what do you mean by addressing mode. Why you do addressing mode? What is the requirement of doing addressing mode? So what is addressing mode? Giving programming versatility to the user by providing facility as pointers to memory counter for a loop control, to reduce number of bits in the field of instruction, specifying rules for modifying or interpreting address field of the instruction, या all of the above. So very fundamental question. Question number 6. ये आप B किसका आंसर दे रहे हो? ओके, 5 का आंसर है. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का आंसर बताइए. व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6? So what do you mean by addressing mode? Why a computer uses addressing mode technique? हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में हम क्यों एड्रेसिंग मोड टेक्निक्स का यूज़ करते हैं? सो व्हाट इज़ द एक्चुअल यूज़ ऑफ यूजिंग एड्रेसिंग मोड टेक्निक? सो देर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एड्रेसिंग मोड, लाइक यू हैव इमीडिएट, यू हैव डायरेक्ट, यू हैव इनडायरेक्ट, यू हैव रिलेटिव एड्रेस, यू हैव पीसी, सो एंड सो. सो 6 का ऑप्शन स्माइली. So answer for the question 6 is all of the above, है ना? All of the above. See, when we talk about addressing mode technique, so it gives programming a versatility to the user by providing facility as a pointer to memory counter for a loop control. Okay, so why we are using loop, why we are using sequencing when we are doing the programming? To take the jump statement, if you want to execute some of the instructions continuously, or if you want to address some of the given values, then we are using this concept. Yes, to reduce number of bits in the field of instruction. So this is your instruction set. Instruction set can directly hold immediate value, direct value, or indirect value. So yes, to reduce number of bits, let us suppose किसी काम को करने में आपको 10 बिट्स की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है, और सेम इफ़ यू विल यूज़ सम डिफरेंट एड्रेसिंग मोड, और इस काम को करने में सिर्फ आपको 1 बिट का एड्रेस यू आर यूजिंग, देन डेफिनेटली दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वे, बिकॉज when you are using this type of bit informations, then yes, your processing will be fast. Specifying rules for modifying or interpreting address field of the instruction. Yes, to specify certain rules we need to use addressing mode technique. So these all are the correct statement for question number 6. So that is the fundamental question I am asking from the addressing mode. So that is why if you will see the UGC net pattern latest, then you can definitely get a question from the concept based question on all the topics. Okay, and computer architecture is one of the most important topic, and very concept based question is that, like operating system and computer architecture, both are very important topic if you want to make your career in computer science. Okay, question number 7. The addressing mode which make use of indirection pointer is known as what? Indirect, index, relative, offset. कौन सा ऐसा एड्रेसिंग मोड है जहाँ पे आप इनडायरेक्टली, इनडायरेक्शन का ये मीनिंग है indirectly you are using the concept of pointers. So it is indirect, index, relative or offset addressing mode. Question number 7. सेवन का आंसर है ए. यस, द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 1, दैट इज इनडायरेक्ट एड्रेसिंग मोड. So indirection pointer, so you can also relate with the keyword indirect addressing mode. So yes, the correct answer is 1. Now very important question, the previous year question of UGC net. The effective address of the following instruction is, so this is instruction, okay, this is the instruction, multiply 5 and the register is given R1 into R2. So this is the instruction. When you are going to execute this instruction, so how you are going to write the effective address, कैसे आप इसका effective address calculate करोगे? So either you can use this. So what is the correct way? What is the correct way to calculate the effective address? Very logical question. So you can also use the elimination method. बहुत easy question है, आप डायरेक्टली एलिमिनेशन मेथड का भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Don't know, okay. So the correct answer is option number 5. Now this is very important and this is the previous year question of UGC net. See, when you are going to calculate the effective address, now if you don't know the concept, try to eliminate the option. See, 5 plus R1 plus R2, it is written here multiply, so it is written here multiply and you are adding, so ये option यहाँ से eliminate हो जाएगा because you have multiply. Okay, now when you are going to multiply register R1 R2, now what is register R1 R2? It must hold some address. So address को represent करने का, this is the square bracket to represent the address. So this is the incorrect way to represent the address. So that is why option B will be also eliminated. Now let us talk about option number C and D. So why option D is incorrect? Because इसका ये meaning है कि पहले आप register transfer करो and then फिर आप 5 से multiply करो. But in this question they have not written anything, तो आप इसीलिए, that is why you cannot introduce a bracket by yourself. आप अपने मन से यहाँ पे कोई भी bracket को introduce नहीं करोगे. So that is why correct answer is option number C. So it means you have to calculate the effective address. So this register will hold some value, this register will hold some value. So that is why it is represented by array subscript value and then आप finally यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. आई गेस यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई होना चाहिए, ये ऑप्शन में एक बार क्रॉस चेक कर लूँगी, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई होना चाहिए, है ना. देयर मस्ट बी मल्टीप्लाई, देयर मस्ट बी अ मल्टीप्लाई, यहाँ पे प्लस नहीं होना चाहिए. तो आई विल क्रॉस चेक दिस क्वेश्चन. आई गेस मैंने यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रक्शन गलत लिख दिया है ऑप्शन. सो आई विल लेट यू नो ऑन द टेलीग्राम चैनल. ओके, सो मूविंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. The two phases of executing an instruction. So when you are talking about computer architecture, it means you are going to execute an instruction. So instruction को execute करने के कई सारे phases होते हैं, correct? So what are the different phases? So you have 5 different phases to execute an instruction. But yes, you can see in the options यहाँ पे 5 operations नहीं given है. So what do you think? What is the correct phase? इंस्ट्रक्शन डिकोड करना, स्टोर करना, इंस्ट्रक्शन को फेच करना, एग्जीक्यूट करना, इंस्ट्रक्शन को एग्जीक्यूट एंड स्टोर करना, इंस्ट्रक्शन को फेच करना एंड प्रोसेस करना. हाँ, यस यस यस, मैं वहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई कर दूँगी, है ना. सो डैट इज़ द इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन गिवन इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. इट वॉज माई मिस्टेक. I will correct it. When I will provide you the PDF, I will correct it. So question number 9. So what is the answer for question number 9? 9 का ऑप्शन आ गया डी. सो आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि यू विल डेफिनेटली डू द मिस्टेक और आपने मिस्टेक किया. सो So yes, that is why I have given very similar option. Now see, when you are talking about the phases of instruction, so fetch. So what is the fetch? Decode. There are 5 different of fetch, execute, fetch, decode, execute, and finally आपका store होता है, और in between there are 5 different stages. Okay, now if you will see the sequence, so first you need to fetch it. तो ये option number C and option number A will be discarded because there is not fetch instruction. तो पहले आप fetch करोगे, फिर instruction को आप execute करते हो. There is no processing जैसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. So that is why I have written the option number 4. So correct answer is option number B. So yes, you can get this type of very easy question. They can ask you the sequence, and yes, sequence को एक arrange करने में भी question बन सकता है, because this is the latest pattern of UGCnet कि आपको वो sequence दे देंगे and you need to write it that sequence into the correct order. Okay. Now this is the last question for today's session. The stalling of the processor due to the unavailability of the instruction is called what? Now we have already seen stall. So what are the stalls? Stalls are known as delay when we are talking the concepts of pipeline. जब आप pipeline में किसी भी multiple instructions को when you are executing, तो these are your multiple instructions. Okay, multiple instruction में आपका यहाँ पे delay factor होता है. That delay is known as your stalls. Now what are the different types of hazards that can be arises when we are talking about the delays? तो अगर आपके stalls में problem है processor में, या कोई भी आपको instruction is unavailable, so if the instruction is unavailable, that is control hazard, structural hazard, or input hazard, or that is none of the mentioned above. Very important question. Yes, hazards are again very important topic from computer architecture. So currently we are taking the classes of computer architecture. So if you want to enroll for that particular unit, you can also enroll unit wise. So what is the correct answer for question number 10? The given definition is control hazard, structural, or input hazard. So we will be taking a different session for hazard, but अभी यहाँ पे आंसर बताइए. So let us see the correct answer. The correct answer is option number A, that is the control hazard. The stalling of the processor due to the unavailability of the instruction. So this is a definition of control hazard. Okay. Similarly, you have structural hazard and data hazard. What is data hazard? See, when you are accessing the data and data is not present, so that is the case of your data hazard. So yes, these are the some of the important questions, and that is the part 3 video on computer architecture. So we are covering the important concepts of computer architecture. So please come live daily at 9 p.m. because 9 p.m. we are coming live with the multiple choice questions, and this is the latest pattern of UGCnet examination. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for all the notification. And currently data structure and computer architecture is going on. So if you want to enroll for just a specific unit wise, you can also enroll. And next we are going to start paper 1 from April 1st and computer graphics for the next topic of computer science. Okay, so that is all about today's video. Again, the notification is not out, so if you want to enroll, you can enroll, because we are going to start our new batch from 15th April. So by the 15th April we are going to start the revision session as well as the new batch, so you can enroll for the new batch. Okay, so that is all about today's video. Already मैंने बता दिया the topics that we have covered, and again we are going to start the revision sessions, तो आप enroll कर सकते हैं. So this is our social media handles. Please join on Telegram channel for daily quizzes. Daily मैं यहाँ पे quiz upload करती हूँ. आज भी quiz upload किया है on the data structure. कल हमने computer architecture पे upload किया था. So this is how we are taking daily questions on Telegram, and this is our official YouTube channel. Please subscribe for all the notification, and daily free live sessions को attend किया करिए. And if you have any suggestion, any feedback, please write us in the comment section. Your feedback are very important for us. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining. Let's join again tomorrow at the same time. Good night. Thank you.